Hi, welcome back my friend to our channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction and Mind Power. I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. And now in this video, I will take you to my live training programs where when the participant is hypnotized, I ask the participant to be in touch with the inner resources. Now what is inner resources? Inner resources, you already have it. You have been confident many times in your past, you had patience, you have all the resources to become successful. Now this is a very powerful technique which I recently developed. I'll give you a small demo here on a participant. So notice the participant when he accesses that state automatically and what is happened. Now before we go to the live training programs, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now, click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Now this particular technique to do on somebody or do it on yourself, my friend, you need to learn hypnosis. So go back to our videos. We have a lot of videos on hypnosis teaching you how to do it, master that and then come to do it. Now watch me live in the live seminar. Now as you have come all the way, last and wonderful gift to you. Do you need something? Some powerful resource in you so that you can achieve whatever you want. Close your eyes. Now take a deep breath and just when you are deeply relaxed, give me your signal. Now thank you. Now think about that thing which you need, the resource you need. You already have. Now go inside. Ask that resource you already have there. Get activated now in my whole body and mind completely, from toes to the up of my head. Intensify it and multiply it. This resource is available to you. It can handle the situation which you want to handle easily. Can you feel that feeling? Nod your head. Intensify it. Ask this part to show you more to you that how powerful this part is, how powerful this resource is. And yeah, that's right, I can see that. Huh? Thank that part for doing a wonderful job for you and ask this part, what is your name? Whatever name comes in your mind. And then ask this part, whenever I need you, will you help me? If the answer comes yes, nod your head. Good. Now tell this part, whenever I need you, whenever I think about you, you will activate in my whole body and mind from the tip of my toes to the whole body. So my feeling changes, my body posture changes, my breathing changes, everything take full control of my whole body and mind so that I can do whatever I want. Then thank this part to go back where it was, and when you are ready, open your eyes and come back here now feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. You can feel that? Look around, look around, look around. Eyes open. Think about that part and ask this part to get activated right now. Eyes open, eh? You can feel that? Yeah? Interesting. See the power of your mind, how we use it. Now my friend, welcome back. You just saw me how I did that with the lady in the seminar, a participant in the seminar. Access her inner resource to become very successful, and when she was accessing it, notice how her body postures change, her facial expression change, everything changed. Now this is something which I developed very recently, which can help you to achieve what you want in your life. We have all the resources, how to use it. Now when we talk about this, some people say it is NLP, some people say it's anchoring. No my friend, it is not anchoring, because I'm not creating any anchor to access the state. Is all there. It's a very, very powerful technique. I am helping a lot of people right now with this technique to come out of their problems, become successful. Now let me tell you a little bit more about this technique before we go to the next videos. Listen carefully. My friend, we have been successful many times, but the same resource is not available to us whenever we need it. Now by using this technique, using your unconscious mind, we call it inner resource activation. You can activate at will whenever you want it in your life. The certain resources, maybe confidence, maybe patience, maybe aggressiveness, maybe you are activating your seller. You know, if you are a good salesperson, sometimes you do a wonderful job, sometimes you can activate your, the creativity. I work with a lot of sportsmen using this technique, so they can activate their, the best player so that they play best. There are a lot of details there I cannot tell you on this video here. If any one of you are really interested to work with me one-on-one, please call us. And if you want to attend a live seminar, click on the link below. If any seminar happening at the time of recording this video, call us and attend the workshop. And now my friend, this inner resource activation is something really, really powerful. If you want to achieve what you want in your life, be more confident whenever you want. And we do a technique in such a way that it can automatically reactivate when you need it. Yes, that's how our unconscious mind works. So my friend, if you're really interested in one-on-one session, call us. I cannot take many people because I'm very, very busy and traveling. So if you're really interested, if you're a sportsman and a CEO of a company, or you want that kind of resources, call us right now. I'm looking forward to seeing you personally soon. Thank you very much and all the best.